In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a LinkedIn group. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove a group from your LinkedIn experience so you stop seeing its updates and it no longer appears in your list of groups. First, sign into your LinkedIn account. Once you're on your home page, look to the left side of the screen and find the Groups section. This area shows the groups you've already joined. It's a quick way to see everything you're part of and decide which group you want to remove. When you're ready, locate the specific group you want to get rid of in your list. Move your cursor to that group and look for the three-dot menu on the right side of the group's name. That three-dot icon opens the options you need to manage your membership. Give it a click to reveal the available actions. From that menu, choose Leave this group. LinkedIn will display a confirmation message letting you know that, if you proceed, you will no longer receive updates or notifications from that group. This is helpful because it makes clear what will change. Leaving means the group won't appear in your group list and you won't see its posts in your feed anymore. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct group, especially if you're in similar groups with similar names. When you're sure, click Leave to finalize the action. LinkedIn will process that choice and the group will be removed from your list of groups. If you don't see the change right away, a quick page refresh will reflect the update. A couple of useful notes here. On LinkedIn, leaving a group is effectively how you delete it from your own view. You're not deleting the group for everyone, you're simply removing your membership, which stops updates and cleans it out of your list. If you change your mind later, you can usually request to join again, as long as the group allows new members or approvals. Also, leaving a group does not send a broadcast notification to other members. It's a quiet action on your account. That's all there is to it. Sign in, open Groups on the left, click the three dots beside the group you no longer want, select Leave this group, confirm, and it disappears from your list. It's a simple, effective way to tidy up your LinkedIn experience and keep your feed focused on what matters most. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching.